Excess 529 money can now be rolled into a Roth IRA. There are a long list of requirements to be eligible for this, but I actually had my first few clients where this would make sense, so I dove into the details and want to share with you what I learned. You need to have owned the 529 plan for 15 years before executing the rollover. And the beneficiary of the 529 plan needs to be the same beneficiary for the Roth IRA. The max amount that you can roll over every year is equal to the Roth IRA contribution for that year minus any contributions you've already made to the Roth IRA. So in 2024, the Roth IRA contribution limit for under 50 is $7,000. If you've already contributed $1,000 to your Roth IRA, then the rollover limit is going to be $6,000. This could be further limited by the requirement that the beneficiary of the Roth IRA has to have earned income at least equal to the amount of the rollover in that year. So keep that in mind. The max amount that can be rolled over during a beneficiary's lifetime is $35,000. That is a per beneficiary limit. And finally, 529 contributions that you have made in the last 5 years are ineligible for the rollover. There are a lot of boxes to check with this. However, if you find yourself with some extra 529 money and you don't have another beneficiary that could use that money for education, this could be a better alternative than paying taxes and a penalty. My name is Linda Rogers, owner of Planning Within Reach.